Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here and I'm going to be reviewing Pearly White's Australia Teeth Whitening Kit. I'm also just going to be showing you guys how to use it and start it all up. You want to grab your mouth guards, these ones here, and then you just want to grab a cup of boiling water and just sit the mouth guard in there and get it a bit hot because you want to mold it to the teeth. So what you're going to do that, and then when you put it in your mouth you want to push it up against your teeth and suck all the water out. Now once you take that out, you just want to set it and pop it in a glass of cold water just to set it in. And then you just want to go and repeat that and do that with the bottom row as well. Now once you're happy with your molds, you just want to grab the top tab and just twist it off. And that just comes off. Now that you've done that with your mold, you just want to grab your whitening paste. And just halfway up the mold, you just want to paste a little piece, like a little dot of whitener on there, just in every groove where each tooth is. And then you just want to repeat that and do that with the other one as well. And then with that, you just want to pop them into your mouth and then place the LED light in between your lips, and you just want to leave that one on for 30 to 60 minutes to get the full job done. And you do that once a week for 4 weeks, and then just every so often when you feel like you want to whiten your teeth. So we'll leave this in for 30 to 60 minutes. Now that it's done, I'm just going to place them just in this water just to clean them out a bit. Now it also comes with a blue gel, and that's just for if you have any sensitivities on your teeth or gums. Just for precautionary, they have this blue gel that you'll just grab and rub it all over your teeth and gums and leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes. And do that for about, I think it's a week. Yeah, repeat for up to 5 days after whitening if necessary, if it's still painful and you have issues. Alright, so I'm quite happy with the first result for one time. I think it's really good. So you repeat this for 4 weeks, once a week. And so it's just a course of that, and then you do it every so often when you feel like you want them a little bit wider or they're getting a bit gross. Yeah, so if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Thank you, bye!